A group of flamingos is called a flamboyance, and when they gather, it's like nature's own choreographed dance party. Picture a sea of pink feathers moving in perfect harmony, their long legs stepping in unison, each movement a testament to their social bonds and communication skills. This dazzling display isn't just for show, it's a crucial part of their courtship rituals, where each synchronized step and wing stretch play a role in attracting a mate. The spectacle is mesmerizing. A vivid burst of color and rhythm that transforms the landscape into a living canvas of grace and elegance. These birds are more than just their striking appearance, they are performers in a natural ballet that highlights the beauty and complexity of wildlife, leaving us marveling at how such intricate behavior is woven into the fabric of their survival. So next time you see a flamboyance of flamingos, remember that you're witnessing an avian masterpiece that's both a celebration and a necessity of life.